All right, everybody, here's your core bites, number 171. The first one says, how many groups of 11 are in 121? So what you've got to think of is 11 times what gives you 121. Because whenever you have groups, that means you're going to have to either multiply to find the missing number or divide. So you could also divide 121 divided by 11 and get your missing number. But if you know your multiplication tables, you can just find it this way. So 11 times what? The answer is 11, because 11 times 11 gives you 121. For number 2, Jennifer needs 75 plates for the picnic. If the plates are packaged 20 per pack, about how many packs does Jennifer need? Choose the best answer. So here you're kind of estimating. You want to make sure you have enough for every person. So you've got 20 in a pack. You need to have enough for 75 people. So if you say, okay, let's try 20 plates times 4 packs of them, okay? So do our little trick. 4 times 2 would give you 8. Add the 0, so that's 80. That's right over 75. It's always good to have a couple extra. So if you do the 5, so that would be 100 plates. If you did 3, that would only be 60 plates. So the one that's closest to the 75 plates that you need is the 80, okay? So we did times 4. We did 20 plates times 4 packs gave us 80, which is close to that 75. For the next one, you've got to add the fraction. The good thing is they already have the same denominator on the bottom. So you just move the 12 because that's your denominator, and then just add your top number. So 5 plus 1 gives you 6. You know you can divide 6 and 12 by 6, which would give you 1/2, because 6/12 is really half. For the next one, you're trying to figure out the perimeter. So if you remember, perimeter, you're looking at the outside. You're looking at the outside. So you can do this a couple different ways. You could count your units. So here we have 10 across. So if that's 10, that's going to be 10. Here you have 1, 2, 3, 4. So if that's 4 across, that's going to be 4 across. Okay? So you could do it 2 different ways, really. You could add all those up. So you could do 4 plus 4 plus 10 plus 10. Or you could pretend you're walking outside the fence. You just have to be really careful with this way and make sure that you mark everything. So you could also do it like this. Make sure each side facing the outside gets counted. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So you can do that way and get your 28. Or you could say 10 plus 10 is 20, 4 plus 4 is 8, 20 plus 8 is 28. So whichever way works best for you. For your last one, sketch the shape and draw a line of symmetry. So here they have a star. So you could do it 2 ways, really. You could either go vertically or you could do horizontally, and that would give you a line of symmetry. So you could do it this way, just pretend that's a straight line, or you could even do it that way, and that would also work. Okay? All right, guys, check yours. Let us know if you have questions.